Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is the Organized Money, where we talk about planning, productivity, organization, and managing money. If that interests you, then click that subscribe button, as I would love to have you be a part of our little family. Today's video is going to be number 2 in our Adulting 101 series, and we're going to be talking about time blocking and how you can use it to help you increase your productivity. If you've never heard of time blocking, it is a method in which you block out several hours of your day to a single task. It helps you strengthen your focus and eliminate distraction, and it really helps you get more done in your day. So I've watched a bunch of videos regarding time blocking and how other people use it. Most people do use it in an electronic manner using iCal or Google Calendar. And as much as I love this method, I am unable to plan electronically because it just doesn't work for my brain. My brain just has always loved planning with a paper planner. I've been that way since 5th grade, so I had to figure out a way to make it work for me. About 3 weeks ago, I did switch my planner. I switched from a vertical style planner to an hourly one. I needed my days to be even more specific and more functional because I have been planning a lot of activity in one single day, and I needed to make sure that I was able to keep track of my time. So the main thing that I do is I highlight the hours in which I need to dedicate to a certain task. So for instance, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I have dedicated time to work out. It is from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. And as you can see, I have highlighted those 2 hours in pink so that I know that that is the time that I am dedicating to that specific task. Another thing that I am highlighting and noting is my work schedule. So I am putting my work schedule in blue so that I know that that time is dedicated to work. And at first, on my previous weeks, I was putting a line through those particular hours, but then I realized that when I did that, I wasn't able to write down anything else that I needed, like any specific meetings that was happening at a specific time. So I realized highlighting was the best method for this to actually work. I'm also highlighting in red on that Monday, my filming time, and this is going to help me because, as you know, I have videos coming out every day this month up until the 25th. So that required a lot of planning and a lot of filming, and I'm also going to be out of town this month, which means I have to do a lot of pre-filming to make sure that I stay on schedule. So I wanted to share with you some different ways that you can actually use this method to plan out more effective days. So the first thing that you want to do is plan ahead. This means you want to plan out your day before the day actually occurs. I usually do this the week before, but I know a lot of people who will do it the night before. You look at the next day, you look at the hours, and then you write down exactly how you want that day to happen. After you have planned ahead, the second thing that you want to do is make sure that you are looking at your planner or your calendar every single day. I don't know how many times I've been talking with someone and they have forgotten an appointment or something that they have scheduled just because they never checked their calendar. They didn't look at what they had to do for that particular day. So I encourage you to check your planner every single day. I make it a habit that as soon as I sit at my desk, before I get started with my work, I look at my calendar to make sure that I have not missed anything. The third thing that I encourage you to do is to have 3 things that you really want to accomplish for that day. As you can see at the top of my planner, I have empty boxes that has 3 bullet points in which I can write down 3 things that I have that I want to accomplish. These are my top 3. So as you can see, on every day I have post a video because that is one of the most important things that I want to do for the month of December. And so I encourage you to write down 3 things that you want to accomplish every single day so that you know you have those things in the top priority of your mind. The fourth thing that I want you to do is to make sure that you schedule downtime. A lot of times when I'm talking to other entrepreneurs, they feel as though they have to schedule every single minute of their day with something productive. And that's not the case. I actually encourage you to schedule downtime. Why? Because if you schedule every single minute of the day with something that you're trying to accomplish, something productive, without giving your mind any time to relax, usually you'll burn out and do absolutely nothing. Trust me, I've had it happen to me where I've looked at my entire calendar and saw all the different things that I had to do and just decided to stay in bed the entire day and do nothing. So schedule 20 minutes on Instagram, schedule time for a nap, schedule time to just read to yourself and schedule some me time. Schedule your day exactly how you want it to go, even if you need time to take a break. It is definitely okay, and I actually encourage you to do it. The next tip I have is actually one that I struggle with myself, and that is to delegate more often. A lot of times when we have things that we have to do throughout the day, we feel as though we have to do them and we can't give them to anyone else. But usually it works out best if you dedicate your time to the things that need you the most. If it's something else that someone else can do for you, then definitely give it to that person. This tip is challenging, but when you start practicing it, it will definitely work out to help you have more productive days. And my final tip is to eliminate distractions. Turn off the notifications on your phone. Put on Do Not Disturb during certain hours of the day so that no one can call you and take an hour of your day. Just make sure that you are trying your best to eliminate distractions so that no one can pull you away from the time and the tasks that you have set aside in your day. Well guys, that's my tips for time blocking and planning an effective day. Make sure that you leave in the comments if you have tried this method. How is it working for you? I would love to know. So share with everyone and let us know in the comment section below. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to head over and follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's Adulting 101 video. Until next time guys, bye.